What are the pros and cons of the F-22 Raptor? The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation fighter aircraft that was developed by the United States Air Force. The F-22 Raptor has a number of advantages, including stealth, powerful radar, advanced weapons, and Supercruise. However, the F-22 Raptor also has a number of disadvantages, including high cost. The F-22 Raptor is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built, and the cost of operating and maintaining the aircraft is also high. Limited production run. Only 187 F-22 Raptors were built, and the production line was terminated in 2011. This means that the aircraft is not as common as some other fighter aircraft, and it may be difficult to obtain spare parts and upgrades in the future. Single seat. The F-22 Raptor is a single-seat aircraft, which means that there is no backup pilot in the event of an emergency. Overall, the F-22 Raptor is a highly capable aircraft with a number of advantages.